Welcome to Issue Kid TV. Today we are playing a super fun game, Guess the Animal. I will show you a picture of an animal and you get to guess what it is before time runs out. Instructions: you will be given several multiple choice questions and random animal pictures. Answer the questions by choosing the most correct answer based on your knowledge. Each question is worth 5 points. The winner is the one who answered the most correct answers. Below is a sample question. What animal is it? A tiger, B jaguar, C lion. The answer is a tiger. Are you ready to test your animal knowledge? Prepare what you need and let's get into it. First one, the easy level. You will find the answer after every two questions. Question number 1. What animal is it? A. Hamster, B. Cat, C. Otter. Question number 2. What animal is it? A. Bird, B. Peacock, C. Butterfly. The answers: A. Hamster, C. Butterfly. Question number 3. What animal is it? A. Cow, B. Dog, C. Tortoise. Question number 4. What animal is it? A. Lion, B. Monkey, C. Koala. The answers: A. Tortoise, C. Lion. Question number 5. What animal is it? A. Bear, B. Spider, C. Elephant. Question number 6. What animal is it? A. Fish, B. Crocodile, C. Shark. Answers: A. Elephant, C. Crocodile. Now let's move to the hard level. Question number 1. What animal is it? A. Zebra, B. Horse, C. Donkey. Question number 2. What animal is it? A. Monkey, B. Orangutan, C. Gorilla. Answers: C. Donkey, B. Orangutan. Question number 3. What animal is it? A. Squid, B. Otter, C. Hedgehog. Question number 4. What animal is it? A. Eel, B. Crab, C. Clam. Answers: C. Hedgehog, B. Clam. Question number 5. What animal is it? A. Horse, B. Koala, C. Rabbit. Question number 6. What animal is it? A. Goldfish, B. Penguin, C. Stingray. Answers: C. Koala, B. Stingray. Congratulations for all the winners. Thank you for playing.